Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion as a notebook. Notion is a powerful and comprehensive virtual assistant designed to boost your productivity. It's a cloud-based solution that combines note-taking, task management, and project tracking in one platform. This flexibility allows you to design pages exactly how you envision, making it a top choice for managing notes and information. It's truly more than just a digital notebook, offering a dynamic and seamless experience. Let's get started by creating your first notebook. Begin by opening a new Notion page and giving it a clear title, like Meeting Notes or Project Ideas. You can then add a cover photo and an icon to personalize your page, making it visually appealing and easy to identify. Consider using the small text, full width option for more workspace. This simple step ensures each note has its own dedicated space, preventing clutter. Organizing your notes effectively is key to long-term productivity. Notion excels here with its powerful databases. You can create a database to store all your notes, adding properties such as tags, dates, and categories. This allows you to filter and sort your notes in many ways, like by class or review status. You can also link related notes across your workspace, creating a central hub for all your information. To truly enhance your note-taking, leverage Notion's advanced features. Create templates for consistent formatting, especially for recurring notes like meeting minutes. You can embed multimedia elements such as images, videos, and even code snippets to make your notes richer. Notion also supports seamless collaboration, allowing multiple people to edit notes simultaneously and share them with customizable permissions. You can even use Notion AI to summarize content or extract action items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.